Welcome to Echospeak English. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something we all deal with every single day, the weather. Okay, so let's jump right in with a super common and really useful question. Seriously, if you want to start a conversation in English, this one is perfect. It's a great way to practice. All right, so to answer that question, you're going to need a few words, right? In this first part, we'll go over some key vocabulary. This will help you describe the weather like you've been doing it for years. You ready? Okay, our first word is a big one. It's the main topic for today. The word is weather. Can you try that with me? Weather. Awesome! Let's do it one more time. Weather. Great start. Okay, let's talk about temperature. You know, when the sun is blazing and it feels like a summer day, we say it's hot. Give it a try. Hot. All right, so what's the opposite of hot? You got it. It's cold. Let's practice saying that. Cold. Okay, what about when it's not too hot, but it just feels really nice and pleasant outside? We call that warm. It's such a nice feeling, right? Let's try it. Warm. Here's another great word for that kind of perfect, comfortable weather. Cool. So it's a little bit less warm than warm, but still feels really good. Let's say it together. Cool. Now this one is probably my favorite. When the sun is shining, not a cloud in the sky, we call that a sunny day. Let's practice that word, sunny. And when you look out the window and see water falling from the clouds, you can say it's rainy. Let's try that one, rainy. Okay, what about when you can really feel the air moving? Maybe the leaves on the trees are blowing all around. You can describe that weather as windy. Let's practice that one. Windy. You know those days where the whole sky is just covered in gray or white and you can't really see the sun? We say it's cloudy. Let's try that together. Cloudy. All right, our last word for now is for those cold, chilly winter days. When you see those beautiful white flakes falling from the sky, it's snowy. Let's say it one last time. Snowy. You are doing an amazing job. Okay, you've got the words. Now let's put them to work. In this next part, we're going to practice building some simple sentences you can use in real life, everyday conversations. So, how do we use these words? Well, to talk about the temperature right now, you could say, it's hot today. Or if it's the opposite, you'd say, it's cold today. Let's try saying both of those out loud. And hey, you can even combine words to sound even more natural. For example, you could say, it's sunny and nice. Doesn't that sound great? Let's try it together. It's sunny and nice. Here's a really simple one, but you'll use it all the time. Let's practice this. It's rainy. Perfect. See? So easy. Let's do another one. How would you describe a day with a lot of wind? You could say, it's windy today. Let's all say that together. It's windy today. You sound like a natural. Okay, but what if it's not just cold? What if it's really cold? You can add the word very to make it stronger, like this. It's very cold. Let's try saying that with a little more feeling. It's very cold. All right, now let's talk about you. How do you share your opinion about the weather? It's easy. You can just say, I like sunny days. And you can swap out sunny for any weather you like. For now, let's practice the first one. I like sunny days. Wow, you have learned so much already. You've got the words, you've got the sentences, so what's next? Let's see how this all works in a real conversation. In this last section, we're going to listen to a quick chat about the weather. Okay, so picture this. You're starting the conversation. You walk up to a friend and you say, hello, what's the weather like today? And your friend, they might glance out the window and answer, it's sunny and warm. Okay, your turn to talk again. You could say something like, that's nice, I like sunny days. See how you use that sentence we just practiced? And your friend might say, me too, yesterday was rainy. And to finish up the chat, you could share your feelings about that. Oh, I don't like rain. And look at that, you just had a totally natural, complete conversation in English about the weather. Fantastic. Seriously, you have done an amazing job today. So to wrap it all up, I've got one last question for you. What do you like to do on sunny days? Go on, try to answer in a full sentence with the words we learned. And that's it for today. I really hope you had fun learning how to talk about the weather. If you want to keep learning more English with me, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.